Hello, good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
So in the last lecture we have done with the cash flow statement sum and I gave you the homework of second sum. Okay. So we'll solve
Yes.
it today. So this was the question example 2. This given equity and liability, share capital and all, and asset side they have given. Okay. After that there is the adjustment. This is the adjustment. So first we'll discuss the one by one adjustment, then we'll solve the sum. Okay, so first is dividend of rupees 23,000 was paid. So what will be the, you have to give the two effect of this. So what will be the effect of this?
After net profit and
Add
second
after
is
net
finance
profit
activity.
and financing.
Yes, add in net profit and less from financing activity.
Financing activity.
Yes. The income tax paid during the year 28,000. Next entry. So we have discussed this about yesterday. Aditya asked me something like that now. Same question.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me the two effects.
Add after net profit
Hmm.
and less from tax.
Yes. Add in net profit as the expenses and less after the operating activity. There is a
Operating.
heading
Yeah.
tax paid. करके, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next is machinery was purchased during the year of rupees 33,000. See, you have purchased a machinery. Okay. So that means you can say the you have invested.
Investing.
Yes, investing activity.
Purchase investing.
Yes, less from investing activity that you have purchased, outflow of cash, and debit side in the fixed asset ledger as a purchase. You have to make a ledger of this.
Yes.
Okay, and next is depreciation written off on building of rupees 10,000 and machinery of rupees 14,000.
14,000.
So
Add
two
after net profit.
yes, add after net profit and credit side of the ledger account. We are not preparing
Ledger.
we are not making a building ledgers. So we'll not post in
Machinery
second
करना
effect
है.
of this. Okay.
Okay.
सी यहाँ पे जो डिप्रिसिएशन का मुझे जो सेकेंड इफेक्ट देना है वो मैं कब दूंगी जब मैं लेजर बना रही होंगी तो अभी यहाँ पे मैं मशीनरी का लेजर बना रही हूँ क्योंकि परचेज भी हुआ है और डिप्रिसिएशन भी है सो उसके लेजर में आप लिख सकते हो लेकिन मैं बिल्डिंग का लेजर नहीं बना रही हूँ सो उसका एक ही इफेक्ट आपको देना पड़ेगा इट गोज विदाउट सेइंग कि सेकेंड इफेक्ट क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ लेजर आ गया है ओके ओके विल सॉल्व दिस वन बाय वन Okay, first transaction was dividend of rupees 23,000 was paid. So we have given the effect that is add in net profit and less from financing activity. So here add in net profit after this you can write as a dividend paid of rupees 23,000 in the inner column. Okay. And you have to give the second effect. The second effect will come over here. That is financing activity. Dividend paid 23,000
Paid.
and cash goes out. That means you have to in the bracket. Okay.
Bracket.
Done with this 23,000 first transaction. Okay. Second is income tax paid during the year 28,000. So you have to add in net profit and less after operating activity. So here you can add here. After net profit, you have to add over here income tax paid. How much? 28,000.
28,000.
Okay. Okay, just hold on. You can see over here that is income tax paid during the year 28,000 they have given in the adjustment, and they have given in the question in the liability side you can see the provision for tax account. दिख रहा है आप लोगों को?
Yes. Yes.
So that means when in the adjustment is given income tax like you have paid, and in the liability side that is provision for account is given, that means you have to make a ledger over here, that is provision for tax. You have to make a ledger over here. As I told you, if there is anything, अगर यहाँ पे किधर भी आपको 2 बार ट्रांजेक्शन दिख रहा है उसके रिलेटेड, तो आपको लेजर बनाना पड़ेगा, जैसे कि मैं आपको एसेट साइड में बताया था ऑन द टाइम ऑफ एसेट. If there is a purchase and sales or depreciation, there is a 2 transaction, so you have to make a ledger. Okay, so यहाँ पे भी ऐसे ही है. So हम लोग को यहाँ पे प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स का एक लेजर बनाना पड़ेगा. So यहाँ पे हम लोग एक लेजर बनाएंगे. Ledger will same only over here. आपको ओपनिंग वगैरह तो रखना ही है. सो ये हम लोग का जो लेजर है वो कौन सा लेजर है? प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स. So we are making the provision for tax. You can call it as a PFT. So we'll write full. Okay, this is the provision for tax. Okay, so what is the opening balance of provision for tax? So we have to see in the question
30,000.
30,000.
Yes.
Okay, so opening is 30,000. So opening will in the debit side or the credit side?
Debit.
Debit.
Sorry.
No debit side, it's your liability.
Credit.
Liability account always shows credit balance.
Credit balance.
Yes. Not down, and 30,000 is your balance, right?
Yes.
You know the closing balance also, right? 31st March.
Yes.
So by balance carried down. So your closing balance will be
35.
35,000. Okay. Okay, we'll solve the adjustment over here. That is, they are saying that income tax paid during the year 28,000. We have passed the journal entry in the second chapter. हम लोग इनकम टैक्स पेड करते थे अगेंस्ट पीएफटी. प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स के अगेंस्ट हम लोग टैक्स पे करते थे, पता है आपको? हम लोग ने एंट्री पास किया था. व्हाट विल बी द जर्नल एंट्री फॉर दिस?
P&L to provision.
P&L टू प्रोविजन. नॉर्मली हम लोग ये एंट्री पास करते थे, मतलब पीएनएल अकाउंट को हम लोग यहाँ पे डेबिट करते थे. तो यहाँ पे हाँ, यहाँ पे आपको डेबिट करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि सी पीएफटी इज माय योर क्रेडिट बैलेंस. पीएफटी इज योर लाइबिलिटी. प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स इज योर liability, and liability account always shows credit balance. When you are utilizing this provision, it will reduce your balance, or it will decreases your balance. So you have to give the opposite effect. So if provision for tax account is your credit balance, when you pay the income tax, it will you have to give the opposite effect. So it will come over here. Income tax paid. How much you have paid? You can see in the adjustment.
28.
28,000 you have paid. So it will come over here. income tax paid 28,000. Okay. Now you can calculate over here that you have to give the total of this 28,000 plus 35,000. How much?
63.
63,000 is your total. Okay. So you have to write
Yeah.
over here same 63,000. You will get over your balancing figure. What is your balancing figure? 63 minus 30, that is 33.
33.
Okay. You have to give a name, that is P&L, by profit and loss account. Clear? You have to make a provision for tax ledger account over here. It will give you closing balance, 33,000 rupees they are giving. It will transfer to P&L account. Okay. So here you have to give the two effect of each. That is 28,000 you have to give two effect and 33,000 you have to give two effect. आपको 28,000 का दो इफेक्ट देना है बिकॉज एडजस्टमेंट बोल रहा है, और 33,000 का भी आपको दो इफेक्ट देना पड़ेगा. सो फर्स्ट विल गिव 28,000 का सेकेंड इफेक्ट. फर्स्ट इफेक्ट कहाँ पे आया? लेजर में ही आया. इट सेल्फ इन द लेजर ओनली. फर्स्ट इफेक्ट एंड सेकेंड इफेक्ट विल गो इन हियर. Cash flow from operating activity less tax paid. 28,000. Clear? First effect, it will come itself in the ledger only. And second effect, you have to less from here. 28,000 you have paid. Clear? Okay. And second effect of this by profit and loss account, 33,000. Second effect, यहाँ पे already debit, यहाँ पे ledger में already second effect दे दिया है. Now you have to give the first effect, or you can say this was your first effect, and you have to give the second effect. ये जो 33,000 का फर्स्ट इफेक्ट आपने यहाँ पे दिया है लेजर में बैलेंसिंग फिगर के तौर पे, इसका आपको सेकेंड इफेक्ट देना है. सो आपका बैलेंस पीएनएल कहाँ पे है? ये आपका पीएनएल है जो एडिंग अपन करते हैं ना यहाँ पे, एक्सपेंसेस ऐड. दिस इज योर पीएनएल. सो नाउ वी हैव टू गिव द नेम ओवर हियर, दैट इज प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स. प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स. व्हाई प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स यहाँ पे नाम आया? बिकॉज हम लोग खुद के बुक में खुद का नाम तो नहीं लिखेंगे. आप देख सकते हो दिस वाज द लेजर ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, सॉरी प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स अकाउंट. प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स का यहाँ पे लेजर है. यहाँ पे जो भी बैलेंसिंग फिगर आया है दे हैव ट्रांसफर इन पीएनएल अकाउंट. ओके. सो दिस इज योर फर्स्ट इफेक्ट. नाउ यू हैव टू गिव योर सेकंड इफेक्ट, सो इट विल गो ओवर हियर, दैट इज पीएनएल अकाउंट. सो इन पीएनएल अकाउंट यू हैव टू राइट प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स. क्लियर एवरीवन?
Yes.
Okay, we'll see third adjustment. Machinery was purchased during the year 33,000. So you have to give second effect over here. So we'll go in the debit side of this. Fixed asset ledger account, debit side. How much? 33,000 का purchase हुआ है. This was the first effect. Second effect you have to give in your purchase of machinery. You can write, not fixed asset. Machinery, purchase of machinery. 33,000. बट आउटफ्लो होगा यहाँ पे, सो इन ब्रैकेट. ओके.
आउटफ्लो कैसे होगा? मैं
परचेस किया ना आपने, कोई भी चीज पैसा, कोई भी चीज सामान खरीद रहे हो आप तो पैसे देने पड़ेंगे आपको. दिस इज द परचेज ऑफ मशीनरी. ओके. क्लियर एवरीवन विद दिस एडजस्टमेंट?
यस मैम.
डिविडेंड पेड में भी आउटफ्लो आएगा 23,000.
हाँ, पेड जहां पे भी पेड है आएगा वहां पे. उसके बाद आफ्टर दैट डेप्रिसिएशन रिटर्न ऑफ बोला है बिल्डिंग 10,000. सो वी हैव गिवन द एडजस्टमेंट ओवर हियर, दैट इज ऐड इन नेट प्रॉफिट and credit side of your ledger account. So add in net profit, that is your net profit over here. This is your net profit. After net profit, depreciation, just add on. So you can write separately depreciation on building. Depreciation on building is 10,000 was, no? Yeah. And next is depreciation on machinery.
Machinery.
14,000.
14,000. Okay. So as I told you, you have to give the second effect of this. So we are not making a ledger of building. So we'll not give the second effect of this, but we are making the machinery ledger. So we'll give second effect. Okay. So your depreciation of, this is not a fixed asset ledger. This is a machinery ledger. You have to rename this. Okay. 14,000. Clear? Just tell me the machinery opening and closing. So we can close this ledger. Okay. If we have
1,50,000 opening.
Okay, yeah, you know. No? Okay, 1,50,000 is your opening and machinery is your asset, and asset side always account shows balance, debit balance.
Debit.
So 1,50,000 is your debit, and closing is
1,69,000.
1,69,000. Okay. So you can close this account. You can just total it
1,83,000.
both the side.
Yeah.
See, in this situation, both the side is tallied with 1,83,000. There is no difference, or you're not getting any balancing figure. In the last sum, we were getting the balancing figure on the debit side. So we have named it as a purchase. But in this situation, in this same sum, there is no balancing figure on the credit side or debit side, some whatever. Okay. So यहाँ पे हम लोग के पास ना सेल हुआ है ना कुछ नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे आप डैश कर सकते हो. ओके. अगर आपको क्रेडिट साइड पे बैलेंसिंग फिगर आता, सपोज अगर डेबिट साइड आपका बड़ा होता, फॉर एग्जांपल से डेबिट साइड में आपको, फॉर एग्जांपल से टोटल ऑफ डेबिट साइड इज 2 लाख रुपीस एंड योर क्रेडिट साइड टोटल इज 1,83,000. सो बैलेंसिंग फिगर इट विल गो इन द सेल्स अकाउंट. ओके. जैसे कि हम लोग को लास्ट टाइम परचेज में बैलेंसिंग फिगर डाला था, अगर आपको क्रेडिट साइड पे आया तो आप उसको सेल्स में भी नाम दे सकते. क्लियर हो गया?
Yes.
Okay, so we have done with second adjustment. Okay, second effect also. 33,000 purchase we have made ना year. 33,000 बताया है हमने. And यहाँ पे depreciation भी बता दिया 10,000 and 14,000. So we have done with this transaction. So we have done with this all the adjustment. So now you have to solve this. Okay, one by one solve करेंगे. आप लोग मुझे बताना ये किधर आएगा इसका इफेक्ट. फर्स्ट इज शेयर कैपिटल. Your opening balance, after that see your closing balance. What is the different amount? If increasing, that means issue of shares. If decreasing, that means redemption of shares.
Finance. Issue of shares. Financing activity.
Yes, financing of shares. But increasing or decreasing? Inflow or outflow?
Increasing.
Increasing.
Influence बोल रहे हैं. Inflow. So it will go over here in the financing activity. That is of shares. What is the difference amount? Your opening balance was 2 lakh and your closing is 2,50,000.
Yes.
That means issue
2,50,000.
of shares. Yes. So difference is 50,000. So you have issued the shares of rupees 50,000. That means cash comes in the company. So positive. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Next, general reserve. See, general reserve now in the company, most of what they do like after earning the net profit.
Profit. Yeah.
After earning the net profit now, they can transfer in general reserve. Some percentage like 20%, 25%, they can transfer. So it's not your income and all, it's expenses. Because we are transferring. आप बोल सकते हो मेरे जेब से किधर और जा रहा है. For example से net profit is मेरा है, अगर 10,000 मेरा net profit है, so वो 10,000 में से मैं transfer कर रही हूँ general reserve में. So it's expenses when you are transferring. So expenses हम लोग कहाँ record करते हैं? Over here, add expenses after net profit. So you can write as a transfer to general reserve. How much? What is the different amount? That is 10,000. Opening was 50,000 in general account, general reserve account, and in the closing there is a 60,000. That means 60,000 10,000 का आपने current year में transfer किया होगा. Transfer to general reserve out of profit only, but 10,000. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, next.
Profit and loss account.
Profit and loss account. So opening was 30,500 and closing is 30,600.
600.
So here you have to do is closing minus opening you have to do for net profit. In this net profit as per P&L they have said na. So we have not separately net profit. So here in the profit and loss account they have given. So what you have to do? Closing minus opening. 30,600 minus 30,500. How much you will get? 100. 30,600 given and in the opening 30,000 was 500. So only 100 rupees current year profit. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next is bank loan. You can see in the opening side, there is a 70,000 bank loans was there in the opening. But in the closing, there is no bank loan.
Nil.
So you can say that you have repaid that loan to the bank. You have paid the loan, repayment of loan, you can say. So whenever there is a repayment of loan, it will go to finance activity. Finance activity, repayment of loan. What is the different amount of this? 70,000 because opening was 70 and closing was nothing. So your balance is 70,000 and it will come in bracket because whenever you are paying something, it cash outflow of the company. Clear? किसी को doubt है इसमें? ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखो, नेक्स्ट बताओ मुझे.
Sundry creditors.
The creditor opening was 1,50,000 and closing is 1,35,200.
200.
That means
14,800.
decreasing or increasing? Decreasing in current.
Decreasing.
Yes, decreasing in sundry creditor. That means decreasing. That means you can say that there is a outflow of cash because I have to pay in the opening of creditor, that is 1,50,000. I have to pay to the supplier, that is 1,50,000 I have to pay. Okay, but in the closing there is a 1,35,200. The difference is how much? 14,800.
Yes.
That means you can say that you have paid that amount to your supplier.
Decreasing current liability.
Yes, so decreases in current liability. So it will go to changes in working capital over here. Decreases in current liability. Decreases in, I'm writing this CL, current liability, okay? How much? 14,800. Clear with this?
Yeah.
Okay. Then next. Provision for tax. Next is last one is provision for tax and we have done in the ledger provision of tax. Okay, so we have done with the equity and liability side. So now we have to do with the asset side. Just see one by one. First is land and building. So opening land and building is 2 lakh rupees and closing is 1,90,000. What do you mean by that? क्या आएगा?
Depreciation.
Yes, depreciation 10,000, and we have done with this ना, depreciation building 10,000. तो उसका इफेक्ट हो चुका है. No need to give again वापस. ठीक है. Next is
Yes.
plant and machinery. We have done with this because हम लोग ने लेजर बनाया है इसका.
Ledger.
Okay. Next is stock.
Stock.
Where it will go? Your changes in capital. Current asset है ना? So any current asset or current liability is considered as a changes in working capital. तो वहाँ पे जाएगा. So just check it because stock is your current asset. So it decreasing or increasing.
Decreasing.
So current asset is decreasing. That means positive. ऐसा आ रहा होगा. Because I was having a 1 lakh का stock in the opening and in the closing there is a 74 का stock I am having currently. That means 26,000 का जो
Sale.
stock है, I have sold that and I got the money. Cash receipt. So पैसा आ रहा है. So you have to write over here that is increasing. Oh, no, decreases no. Decrease in stock. How much? Difference is 26 na? 26,000. Clear? Okay. So next is debtor. Same 80,000 was your opening and your debtor is closing over here 64,200. That means decreases in debtors. So you have to add because in the opening 80,000 we have to receive receivable from your customers. Now 64,000 is receivable. That means you can say that you have received from your customers. How much?
1,500.
15,800.
15,800 you have received from your customer. That means you have to add over here. So I don't have space, so I'll write over here only. Decreasing in stock, comma, decreases in debtor भी लिख सकते हैं. Will total over here 26,000 plus how much? 26,000
15,800.
15,800.
41,800.
So just total it 15,800 plus 26,000.
41,800.
800.
41,800. So it will positive only. Okay.
Yes.
Next is cash. So we have the separate space for this separate place. Cash. Where? Here. Opening cash and closing cash. So cash at the beginning. That means opening cash is how much? 500. Opening cash
500.
is 500 and closing cash is 600.
600.
So you have to write over here 500. You will get 600. So you can say indirectly that means over here 100 will become 100 आना चाहिए. Because 100 plus 500 you have to come 600 na. So
600.
you can identify this also, but I am not writing now 100 because you have to calculate. Then you have to come with 100 rupees. Okay. Okay, we'll see. You have done with cash. Next is bank.
Bank.
So where it will go? Bank. That is 8,000 rupees. Where it will go? bank is your current account, current asset. So it's increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing because opening तो कुछ था ही नहीं आपके पास. So increasing in current asset. Add or less? Less.
Okay.
So it will come over here. You have to less, na?
Yeah.
Write as a year increase in current asset. Okay, how much? 8,000.
8,000.
You can give the net effect also over here. That is 14,800 was your negative amount, and you can less 8,000 over here. One second, I don't have anything. No? Just add one. Okay, यहाँ पे लिखते हैं हम लोग. Increase in current asset.
नहीं
8,000. It's increasing in current asset. That means you have to less over here. Okay. Clear with this, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So next is
Goodwill.
goodwill. Where it will go?
Asset.
Goodwill. So goodwill.
Less increase in current assets.
Goodwill. It's not your current asset.
It's fixed assets, okay, but intangible.
Yes, it's intangible.
Intangible.
But it's decreasing or increasing. Just check it.
Increasing.
Increasing.
Increasing in current, like goodwill 5,000. It's increasing. So where you will write this? It's increasing. That means normally goodwill जो है वो आपको पता है ये create जो होता है वो reputation and all की वजह से होता है, ठीक है? So ये जो आपको यहाँ पे increase दिख रहा है, that means you can say that it's a preliminary expense written off. It's your expenses. You have write off over here. It's your intangible asset ना. So यहाँ पे cash flow में क्या होता है? हम लोग हमारे expenses write off करते हैं. You have to write off your expenses, preliminary expenses.